Hey, this is my review for Live Alive for the Nintendo Switch. An amazing game. It's a JRPG. And this is the inside of it. The game itself is in my Switch, so I don't have it with me. But this is the back cover. And yeah, so it's a remake of an older JRPG that came out many, many years ago. I never played it. Honestly, I never even really heard of it. So I was looking forward to get my hands on this one as I'm a huge JRPG fan. And the graphics are awesome. There you play as different characters in different timelines, and it's like a chapter, and then you play for an hour or a couple of hours depending on who you're playing as, and then you kind of see their journey. So I haven't beaten the entire game, so I don't know the spoilers at the end, but it's a really, really amazing game. It has awesome voice acting. The graphics are great. The music is wonderful. The battles are pretty challenging for some of them. Some of them are pretty easy, but in some areas they get really tricky. So, but it's a great game. The story, each story is very different from the other one. So you get very involved, and you get really into it. The characters are wonderful because you can relate to them and the voice acting and all of that. So it's just an amazing game if you really want to check it out, if you're a JRPG fan. And even if you're not, if you want to try something new, definitely want to check out Live Alive.